And it's all contradictions upon contradictions. Every claim that this individual made. My request to you, brothers, especially, I'm going to end now. My request to you, brothers, is number one, our Muslim brethren or sisters listening to this, yeah, we need to make dua for these individuals. Number one, okay. Wherever you go in colleges, in universities, in these places where you find these people working, and they're very organized and they're very systematic in the manner that they go about their business. Okay? You need to give these people dawah, hold them towards good. The other thing that we need to do is I request the hierarchy of the qadyanis. Yeah? Look, today, nowadays, you and I, you know who the Baha'is are, don't you? We don't have any issue with them. Yeah? Baha'u'llah, he came, he said, I'm a prophet, he has followers, they have their own Kaaba, they have their own practices, they have their own everything. They do not use any terminologies of Islam. They haven't stolen any symbols of Islam. They haven't stolen any terminologies of Islam and added it to their own religion or called themselves true Muslims or nothing like that. So we don't have any issue with them. But why do we have an issue with the Qadianis? Reason why we have an issue with them, they steal our symbols, yeah? They steal our terminologies, yeah? They steal our verses, misconstruct them, present them to people, take their own meanings out of the Quran, and they pretend that, people need to come into the true Islam, and they try to give this message to people that we are propagating the true Islam. Come here, this is Islam. This is our problem with them. This is our problem. Stop using our terminologies, stop using our symbols, come up with your own. The hierarchy needs to come up with its own terminologies, with it, and register yourself as a complete separate religion from Islam. We won't have a problem with it. Isn't it? Register yourself as a complete different religion like the Baha'is are, like the Buddhists are, like the Hindus are, like other religions are. We won't have no problem with it. For as long as you continue to steal our symbols and steal our terminologies and try to confuse our masses that this is the true Islam, come towards the true Islam, we will always have a problem with it.